Hey guys, what's up? So everybody on the internet is talking about iPhone 15 Ultra and the leaks about it. So we thought that we should also board this train. So as a result, we are here talking about all the rumors about iPhone 15 Ultra. It's me and Groot welcoming you to the channel. So first things first, when iPhone 15 Ultra is gonna get launched? There are two ways about it. If at all, iPhone goes with its regular family, iPhone 15, 15 Plus, Pro and Pro Max. In that case, iPhone 15 Ultra could be launched somewhere in next year. But if at all, the rumors are true and iPhone 15 Ultra is going to replace iPhone 15 Pro Max, in that case, we can see this Ultra version this year itself. Another speculation is about iPhone 15 Ultra having an USB-C port. Wouldn't that be an ideal world? Just like a dream come true. But do dreams really come true? Now let's face it, whole wide world wants Apple to comply with their USB Type-C regulations, and Apple has agreed to it.
Obviously, we'll have to comply. We have no choice, as we do around the world, to comply to local laws.
Now here I feel Apple is going to play safe and play smart. They are going to surprise us. They are the flag bearers when it comes to revolution, whether it is removal of a headphone jack or introduction of notch to the world. Over here, I feel Apple is gonna play next level with their MagSafe chargers, because MagSafe is already into the ecosystem. With Ultra, we are gonna see MagSafe going to the next step. The next thing which I want to talk about is something which excites every phone user in the world. Not only iPhone user, but every phone user in the world is the design of the phone. And in case of iPhone 15 Ultra, we have heard that the body would be made out of titanium. And in fact, there would be a curved glass and thin bezels. Now mind you, we are not talking about curved display over here. It is going to be a curved glass with thin bezels. Something sort of a crossover between iPhone 10 and iPhone 12. Or to make it more simpler, let's talk about Apple Watch. Exactly like Apple Watch. Another thing which is doing solid rounds of the internet is about power button. Now it is said that iPhone 15 Ultra's power button would not be a physical button. Instead, it would be a touch-sensitive panel which would be providing haptic feedback through Taptic Engine, just like what we had seen in iPhone SE 3rd generation. There is also a strong rumor about Dynamic Island. This time, it is said that with iPhone 15 series, Dynamic Island would be available with each and every model. That means even with the base iPhone 15, you'll get a Dynamic Island. Now that is something which excites me. This means that with all models having Dynamic Island, there will be more apps which will be playing with its UI, and that is going to be fascinating to use. Apart from that, we also heard rumors about A17 chip, Wi-Fi 6E, increased RAM up to 8GB. Now, I don't know what we'll do with such sort of RAM with iPhone, but yeah, that is a strong rumor. And there are also talks about 6x optical zoom. Now that is something fancy. Now let's see if Apple goes Samsung way or not. After all said and done, only time will tell which of these rumors are gonna turn true. But you have to tell us in the comment section below that which are your favorite rumors. Till then, this is me Hardik signing off. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to iGeeks blog. So like us, if you also love everything about Apple, don't forget to download our app iGeeks blog from the App Store. Till then, take care, God bless.